Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, and it is that time of year again. Fish houses are rolling in. It's the end of October. Weather's starting to turn. Hopefully we'll have a little better ice than last year. So today we've been getting these in the last couple days here. So we got the 17BB Gray Wolf. It's a 2025. A couple new color changes on the inside, so we'll get you in there. But we like to start right up front, like we typically do. Two 30-pound LP tanks, like we say in all our videos. We're going to fill these up for you here at Bullion RV. Also inside, we're going to include a battery too, where the battery box is. A couple scare lights, a couple different things on the outside. So right up here, you're going to have a nice scare light that's going to be flashing and stuff for you up front. This is the crank model, so hand crank on here. This also is going to have a bathroom on board with a cassette toilet. So this is going to be great for when you are on the ice. Just be able to use some like RV antifreeze or something to throw in the toilet. Great to get the ladies out there. You know, if it's super cold, you don't want to go outside, you have this. If somebody's running in to get more bait, more beer, more pizza, whatever it needs to be, you could always empty these off in like a porta potty or something at the boat landing. So really cool concept with the cassette toilet. Really like that. Also at the campground, so if you want water on board, if you're at the campground, so that you could use these, you know, all months out of the year. There is that shower and stuff on the inside. 30 amp service on this rig. On the back side here, again, we don't have it with the battery on board, but there is a big LED strip that's going to be a blue lit LED strip like the Forest Rivers all kind of have right on the back side, with another light back here too. So really, I mean, you're gonna have all around lighting on this unit. So when you're on the ice, if you are in a snowstorm or your buddies are coming out, be able to turn some stuff on, they'll be able to find you a lot easier. Also, I always kind of point these out in the videos I do, but I like this aspect when you're getting ready to go, getting gas, packing stuff up. You can see how it kind of goes red. That's gonna tell you it needs some air. It doesn't tell you how much it is, but it does let you know that you're going to need some air on board. When it's green, you're all set to go. So just one of those quick things that when you are packing stuff up, getting ready to go, stopping for gas, just a quick glance down just for safety. On the back side here is going to be where your water connections are going to be, fresh fill, and the city connection again for when you are out camping in this rig. Taking it to WeFest, taking it to different campgrounds, bringing it to your buddy's house for extra sleeping, maybe a family reunion at the cabin. If there's not enough sleeping there, bringing something smaller like this. Hit you with a backup camera on the back, little QR code, going to hook up to your phone as your screen. So having that on board already, one less thing you have to worry about again. What I like with these Gray Wolves, they hit you with an awning. So again, kind of bringing that camper aspect to it, or a nice day out on the ice. If you're sitting out there watching the tip ups, doing your thing, having that awning out. You know, if it's not too windy or at the campsite, you have that. Speakers. If the fish aren't biting or you want to do your own thing, you can kind of rock some tunes outside. And then again, kind of missed this, but you do have some power ports, like a GFCI protected 2 power port right out front for you. They went away from the glass doors, so back to the old school camper door on here. And then it does have this screen as well. Grab handle to get you in. So this edition here, this is going to be the Outdoorsman edition. So it's going to have the cedar interior to it. So that really nice smell, that really nice look. Also, I like about this, so if you're going to put like some tip-ups or anything, be able to screw those into the wood and have a little more security with those guys. Couple things. You know, this guy got a fishing hole right here as you walk in. You know, a couple under the table in the back and then 4 on the sides here. So a lot of good fishing room here for you guys to pull everything up through the holes. Nice little kitchen with the sink. Again, for camping. 3-burner cooktop. The little pizza oven, chicken nuggets, Stover's lasagna. Got your microwave up top to reheat all those leftovers. A lot of good storage with the nice magnets. So if this thing may be bumping and grinding, sometimes they have those little hooks that you got to line up to get in there. With just the magnet they hold in, I feel like they're a little stronger too. New grab handles for this year as well. Hit you with the infamous bottle opener. You know, everybody's got maybe the lighter trick, or, you know, then they, you don't see your buddy banging the bottle on the counter like they like to do. Having a nice bottle opener in here for you. You know, pass the time while the fish aren't biting. Fireplace on board. So if you're using a generator or anything out there, you're going to get about 5,000 BTU. You're at the campsite, you're not going to have to use any propane. This fireplace will be enough to heat up this nice little space here for you. Spot for the TV backer right here, nice location. Storage to either side of that as well. And then little cubbies down below. All the appropriate hookups for the TV are right in the ceiling. Radio, battery voltage meter, everything's all right here. This radio is Bluetooth. If you got all your favorite songs on like a flash drive, you can just throw that in there and have all the tunes going that way. This does have indoor-outdoor speakers, so you can kind of split up the music all like that. All these lights are going to be push-puck. The battery's going to live under there, so we don't have a battery hooked up to it. You got to take it all apart to get the battery to it, so we just don't have one, so it is a little darker in here. But these are all push-puck lights. Nice pull-down blackout shades in here as well. You can kind of see the little tint on the window. Nice spot for all your rods. Extra gear in here. Lights in all the holes. You're going to have your blue light, your white light for all the holes down there as well. In the back, this is going to be your one big sleeping area here. Can fit 2 or 3 people onto this, depending on the size. Maybe a couple adults, small little kid. Bunk up top. Maybe you could use this for extra storage, or some of the smaller kids popping up here to sleep. Really good windows all around. So again, if you got some tip-ups outside, you can throw some out the back, out the front, out the back side. You got windows to keep an eye on all of those for you too. Speaking of speakers, we got a little subwoofer up in here. So if you want to bump some tunes, like I said, when the fish aren't biting or you guys are just having a good time, you got a little subwoofer to kind of amp up the music there for you. Little bit of storage. They hit you with the garbage can. They throw it in here, but it doesn't fit this way. So, you know, finding a spot for that, you know, would be, if you want to keep it out, cool. Otherwise, you do have a nice little closet up front. So throwing your extra gear in here, hanging your coats and doing all that stuff right in the closet. There is a light up here for you as well. Nice size pull-out freezer and the refrigerator. Now this refrigerator does do a dual swing, so you can open it both sides. I wish you could get a shower beer, but when you're trying to do both, maybe putting the beers in the door, you can grab a shower beer that way or a bathroom beer. Kind of doing it that. It's kind of fun. You also have the little step up into the bathroom just because where they put all the tanks and all the plumbing and stuff like that. With this cassette toilet, it does spin. So let me kind of pop in here, get out of the way. So, you know, if you have it like a regular toilet, it's, you know, you got space to do your thing, but you can spin it and it'll still work. So you can kind of, you know, more sit this way with it. You know, maybe some taller folks, you don't have to put your foot in the shower, but you can do that. This shower does have a little bit of a recessed tub to it. So if you're out camping and you have water, if you got little kids or your dog or anything like that, be able to pop in here and clean them up. You got a max air fan in the bathroom. I'm not a tall guy, but I still want to pop in here for you guys. About 5'8", 5'9". I have headroom, but the nice thing is this shower head is a detachable shower head, so you can do your cleaning. And again, like I say in all my videos, if you're taking a shower in here, you're coming out better than what you're going in, and really that's the goal. It's not about comfort. It's not about spending 15 minutes in here. It's about getting in, rinsing off, and getting out. So, you know, having a shower on board is something that is really nice. I also want you to notice the floor. I really like this kind of rubber, durable flooring. No carpeting, no linoleum style floor, so really nice, durable. You know, throwing rugs down and stuff over it. That way, if they get dirty or messy, anything like that, you want to redecorate, you can just take that rug, throw it away, put a different new color in there. And then these cushions and stuff, this is a new look for this year too, with just kind of like that grayish cream with the brown accents into it. So, yeah, that is pretty much everything in here in the 17BB. I might have missed a few things, but always, like always, my contact information will be on there. So shoot me a text, shoot me a call. Happy to answer any questions you have. We do have a bunch of different models. We have double axle. We carry ice castles as well. So definitely look us up. Look me up. Love to be able to help you out. If you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Like these videos. That's great for us. Really helps us out. Really helps you guys out too. That way, when we post new videos, you'll be able to see them fast and, you know, get on top of that. If you do find us on YouTube, definitely reach out to me, and I'll be able to, you know, let you know if our current inventory is all going to be on our website. Stuff on YouTube just kind of lives forever. So again, that's the end of our video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.